Alright, so we're fucking bored and we decided to play a game with guns because we have like little BB guns.
Okay.
And it's
Right,
Jerry, Alan, Carlos, and me. And the thing is, you spin the gun, whoever points at gets shot in the back. So he just got shot, so now it's his turn to, what's it called? Spin it. So spin it.
Why are you trying to spin at me though?
I'm not.
God,
I got shot already.
Oh, motherfuckers!
I wanted to get me. I was trying to get my shit over.
Ah, damn it. Alright, Alan, here, record this
Record
shit.
it.
Alright, Jerry, record it.
Ready, nigga?
You ready? You shot me after you.
You better sit your ass down and watch your sexy ass get killed. Oh shit. That looked like it hurt.
Dude, I should just get up and go next, dude. I know all of a sudden.
Nah. Ah, dude, so hella hurt.
It's going in order though. It went to me to you to him.
Exactly. Oh, I gotta say it hurts.
It still hurts, bro. Does yours hurt?
Alright,
I don't know. I can't feel it, dude.
alright, so it's my turn to spin it. Here, Alan, you record this.
Go.
Just give me one. Oh, yo.
I can't get myself. Motherfucker!
What's up with Jerry, bro?
I'll lose right here so I can record this again. Just turn around, dude. Come on. Just turn around real quick. Go.
But they get you like in the same spot.
Nah, you got me
Nah.
there before. Shit hurt.
Alright, go. Spin it.
You're like a bitch.
So the clip is out.
Yeah. Hurry.
I let it go.
Oh shit, dude. It's really half. Ah, fucking shit, dude.
Like, kind of.
Costume, nigga.
Go. Oh, fuck! Go!
Put your shoulders the other way.
Turn around the other way. Alright, go, you spin it.
Hey, that one hurt though, dude. That one hurt. I still feel it.
Alright. Go, your turn to spin it.
Hold on. Oh, fuck, dude. That hurts. The more I touch it, the more it stings.
You got me like kind of close to my shoulder blade.
Yeah.
Finally!
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Make us look like little bitches and shit.
No, what the fuck?
Animate all bad and shit.
Alright, go. You got the spin it, Jerry.
He's wearing a. Oh, what the fuck, dude?
Fuck up, dude. And this shit's like old.
Alright, go, Jerry.
Dude, look. I'll
Oh,
take
what the
that.
fuck, dude?
Go,
Shit
Jerry.
hurts, dude.
Next time we're gonna shoot Jerry with this.
Ah, fuck no, dude.
No, just go.
It's not at me, dude.
Yeah, it's at you. Look, it's at your arm.
God damn, this is Alex right
No, let Jerry shoot
there.
it.
Yeah.
Sorry, look.
No, just cock it. Alright. Got him.
This is a cool game. Oh, someone's coming.
No, fuck it, dude.
What? What? Damn it. No. No, alright, bye. What? Oh, I'll tell you later. Bye.
What you say?
I can feel it, dude. It's just like, I don't know.
What the fuck? You can feel it?
Yeah, dude, I feel it's like tingling, but
Alright,
it's on my
Jerry.
screen or something.
Hey, you got Malibu now?
Huh?
You got Malibu now?
Alright, just go. Go again. Dude, it's going towards you, man.
I'm not even here.
Hey, come on, go, dude.
Wait, hold on. Don't shoot it yet. Don't shoot it yet. Hold it. Wait, hold it. Hold it real quick. Huh?
No, not with that one, fool. No.
No. It's not for you. It's not for you.
Still, I don't want to fight you right
Hey,
now.
for who? Jerry.
I know, dude. Fuck you, dude. Not even fucking. Nah,
Nah,
that's
fuck you. It's fine, dude.
it's because you can't feel it. That's why.
Nah, fuck that. Let me see the clip. Let me see the fucking clip.
Hey, nah, dude. Fuck
see
that,
it.
dude.
Jerry.
Go.
It doesn't fucking matter, dude. I can't, dude.
Hey, what the fuck?
Let me
Hey.
see the clip. Let me see the clip.
Nah, that'd be a bitch. You gotta do that shit to me. That's fucked up.
Don't trust me.
Get my gun here. Oh, shit.
I know.
Is this loaded?
Nobody do that shit.
Alright.
Dude, put those guns somewhere else.
Alright, go, cause I got 5 minutes on.
I already know which one is it.
I don't know.
Go. Move the C. This one.
Oh, we're fucking done, man.
Shoot, Oliver.
Go.
Shoot one.
Nah,
Picture. Oh, shit.
Wait, which one was it? Was it this one or that one?
That one.
Alright, Carlos.
Wait.
Hey, do
That
that
one.
shit, dude.
Alright, Carlos.
Wait.
You don't get shit confused. I'm trying to do I have like a full clip in that one and shit.
Huh? Alright, we're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Finally.
Damn.
Brother, your second time. Shut up.
Just hella quick. You make it.
You're only like in the same spot, bro. I don't want to play no more.
Let's see how much is in the clip. Like, let's see.
No,
No, hold on. Let's see how much is in there.
One.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, let me see.
Yeah.
Nah.
Shit, just the last one. Oh, shit.
Alright.
Last one?
Yeah.
Dude, it better not be me, dude. It's fine.
Alright, last one.
Last shot.
Think I go to my gun.
No, fuck no.
I don't know. Fuck that.
Right here, record this.
Hey. Okay. Good? Oh, they recorded that one. Fuck. Oh, shit. Hey, redo that.
Rewind.
Oh, shit.